name is Li Xincheng. I'm from Sheffield Hallam University in the UK. I act as the Congress Chair of MHMT 26. Well, it's a great success for this Congress series. We are celebrating the 11th anniversary this year. As I have witnessed the success of this Congress since 2017. The Congress proceedings indexed by Google Scholar and Scopus, and we have invited distinguished lecturers, from all over the world, and we have attracted participants from 27 countries. In particular, I can say this year there are many new papers, presentations in the frontier topics such as AI application in momentum heat and mass transfer. And I'm really proud of this and being as Congress Chair. So, the Congress will be held next year in Lisbon, Portugal. So I look forward to see you next year. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Tasos Karayannis. I'm from Brunel University of London. I'm the chair of this conference, and I must tell you that we are in very excellent surroundings in Paris. The quality of the presentations and the conference all around is very good. We already started planning the next one in Lisbon in the spring of 2027, so I would like to welcome you all there. Thank you for your attention.
Conference, actually, I was invited. So I know the conference quite long ago, actually. If I'm known around, my supervisor also, Charles Ward, also joined the conference before. So actually, I'm the second generation of the general conference. Okay, anyway. So I know that the conference organizer, they invited me to come here. I found here a lot of colleagues, they have very diverse background. So actually, besides exchange knowledge to them, I learn a lot from the conference, right? And I really enjoy to come here. Yeah, thank you.
I'm Alina Mina. I'm from Technical University of Iași, Technical University Gheorghe Asache from Iași, and I was invited here as a key speaker from Professor Tasos Karayannis, and I'm very glad to be here. It is a great conference. The audience is really active, and this is very interesting and very rewarding for our research activities. My topic is related to nanocolloids and also AI involved in nanocolloids, and I managed to connect with people that I was not aware that they have similar interests, and our work can complement each other. So I think it's a great opportunity this conference gave to my future preoccupation in AI applied to nanocolloids.
Hello, good morning. I'm Yasser Mahmoudi-Larimi. I'm a professor and chair of thermal energy engineering at the University of Manchester. Today I had the pleasure to attend the 11th World Congress on Momentum Heat and Mass Transfer in France. My research area is primarily about the fluid mechanics and heat transfer using machine learning, computational fluid dynamics, and some experimental work. Today I gave a keynote talk on using physics-informed neural network for analyzing heat transfer problems. The method has been introduced maybe 6-7 years ago, but since then we worked on this method on different projects, and we showed the great potential of this machine learning approach in predicting complex multi-phase and single-phase heat transfer problems. And I think this venue specifically, this Congress was a great venue to come and present this piece of work. Here we have tens of academics, senior, junior academics around the world, academics and also industrial attendees. We have international people coming on board, experimentalists, multi-phase fellows, single-phase fellows. I I think the topic that I presented today, it has very well received based on the many questions that have been asked and many comments that I received after. And I believe that this conference should follow on and continue. And I hope that in the future there will be a session dedicated on machine learning for heat transfer problem.
My name is Charmaine Neufeld. I'm a master's student at the University of British Columbia from Vancouver, Canada. And I'm here at CSP 2026. My topic is an assessment of kinetic chemical mechanisms for sustainable aviation fuels. And I'm really enjoying the international feel of the conference. All the participants are very interesting and have lots of interesting topics to talk about.
Yes. Thank you very much. I'm Andrea Luke from Germany, from Kassel University. There I'm the full professor of technical thermodynamics, and my special fields are heat transfer with phase change, special evaporation and condensation, and also multi-phase pumps, multi-phase flows, and especially there also the industrial applications. And I'm here with my PhD student, Fatih Miral, and he will do a lecture this afternoon, and me also, and the topic is nuclear boiling. Fatih will tell something about CO2 as refrigerant, and me will explain the calculation method, a special calculation method for nuclear boiling heat transfer. The conference, I like it very much because it's very private, and the accommodation, the rooms are also, and the organization is also quite nice. The hotel I cannot say because we are in a hotel in the town.
Hello, my name is Mina Krolos. I'm a PhD student at Cornell University London. I'm working on two-phase heat transfer enhancement. Specifically, we are interested in enhancement of the pool boiling heat transfer performance of a new refrigerant, which is called R1233ZDE. I'm investigating the effect of surface roughness and the pressure, saturation pressure, on the heat transfer performance and the bubble dynamics. My experience is very good. I'm so pleased to be here in the conference today and to share my colleagues about my research. And I hope next time I will be here with a new finding and new information. Thank you so much.
Hello, I'm Preeti. I'm here for the International Conference on Heat and Mass Transfer. I'm working on mostly on hydrogen systems, their storage and the thermal analysis. Here I will be presenting my work on a two-scale method where the people actually will be dealing with a small setup that could help in dealing with the large area of systems where the computational cost is very high, and although we have very super high supercomputers, but everybody can't afford with a long time to run those things. So I have designed some model that could help with this complexity. Thank you.
Okay, my name is Darlington Amadi. I'm coming from Scotland, Robert Gordon University in Aberdeen. So I have a great experience in this conference. So my work, I presented a paper which is on effect of coefficient of restitution on fluidized bed reactor as it relates to CO2 capture efficiency. So apart from me presenting my work, I also got some insight on my PhD next phase of my PhD, which will help me to really speed up my PhD work and come out with good colors. Also, apart from, I also got some experience, both even industrial experience, also applications from this conference, and I will advise anyone that want to get a better knowledge on heat transfer, on multi-phase flow, on CFD, should try to apply for the conference for next year. Thank you.
Hi all, I'm Chamila Bekon. I'm an associate professor from the University of Manchester. So these days I'm attending the international the conference in. Chamila Bekon, I'm an associate professor from the University of Manchester. So I'm attending now the 11th World Congress in Momentum, Heat and Mass Transfer in Paris now. It's a lovely congress organized by ASET. So this is my maybe 5th time of attending the conferences organized by this team, which is really lovely actually. So things are really organized, especially the gala dinner is really lovely one, and nice food and nice the hospitality over here. And then I was talking about the substances in my previous keynotes in Lisbon previous back, and this time I'm talking about development of gas sensors from nanocomposites. It's the wide audience actually, so then you have multiple topics to talk around, and then lots of people attending from all over the world. So therefore it would be a good opportunity for even for especially PhD students. They come over here and then you can meet lots of people, some experts in the world. So it's a well attended conference actually. It's a good mixture of different fields, and then the nice talks, and if you want to attend over, and then I recommend you highly to attend these conferences. The next year's one is in Lisbon, so then it's a nice city, nice weather in the same time of the year in April, so you'd be just loving attending these conferences. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Jakub Dressler. I'm from Poland, Warsaw, Politechnika Warszawska, Student Space Association. On Politechnika Warszawska we are developing our own CubeSat 3U satellite project. The aim of the whole project is to develop a satellite with its own propulsion system, and the whole design is ours. We, in this poster, we've committed some analysis about the geometry of the system. Basically, the whole purpose is to optimize the shape so that with the same volume of the propellant, we can get the most out of it, and then conduct some maneuvers when our satellite will be on the orbit. Yeah, so that's basically it. Today at the conference we have listened to some interesting topics. Let's say I have learned quite a lot about the approaches to certain problems, how to approach them in an economic and less time-consuming ways. I believe that this experience could affect our work in Poland in an optimistic way, let's say, and fasten the whole work on the satellite project.
Hello, my name is Jakub. I'm from Warsaw University of Technology, and I came here with my colleagues for the ENFHT 2026 conference to present our poster that we did on our paper that we published. And on the conference we learned many interesting things, mostly about boiling, since in our project we operate on butane that will probably experience flash boiling. The knowledge we gained about boiling of different fluids will enhance our work greatly, and we already can think about many uses of such knowledge. We also heard much about combustion. That's not our case, since our propulsion system is a warm gas, not a hot gas. Yet the conference was very interesting, and we broadened our field of expertise greatly. So it was a great experience for us, and we learned a lot.